What's up? You come. What's up? How may we help you as you drinking?
I'm not drinking. Do I look like I'm drinking?
You have liquor on your hand. How may I help you? Who am I talking to? Sober you or drunk you? How may I help you? Why are you recording me?
I'm doing my job.
What is your job?
I'm calling you. I'm an officer of Urupa.
Yeah.
County officer. I'm calling you.
What? Niko hapa na kusikia madam.
Hakuna niuliza swali kama za ufala hivyo.
Swali za ufala. Ini park. Ini.
Mimi nakunywa.
Si uko na tei? Uko na tei? Bro, turn it. Look at these people are drunk. Bro, what? What? Why? Why? Mbona tusipite uni nani? Mbona tusipite? Mbona tusipite? Wewe ni nani?
I'm an officer.
Okay, mbona tusipite? Ukuna liquor, akuna liquor. Ukuna liquor hapo, bro. Like,
He has taken from my bag. Why? Why should you take it from the bag?
It's not yours.
Yeah, make sure
He has taken our liquor from the bag now. I told him, look.
cheki boss.
The guy is
Niko na mali nadai kwenda.
talk to him. Mbona umechukua
Unisaje?
Niko na mali nadai kwenda.
Tugoje. Hapana, this is inappropriate.
Bro,
Let's
where
go.
deal na issue yako, bro? Like, bro, we have to go. What are you doing?
Inside the bag, man.
Yep.
This inside the bag.
Tulipie na ini park. This is a park. This is a free park. Ini free park. Najirecord mimi, nilipia kujirecord.
Ndio unafaa ulipia hii nini?
Nilipia nini? Says who? Says who?
Says me.
Says you?
Yeah.
Who is you? Who is you? Who is you? What you gonna tenze huku, bro? What are you doing? Look, inani record, si record watu nalipia tusone.
Hapana, mbona umechukua hiki kwa bag boss? There is no bro. Sisi kama tunakuja sisi.
Bro, go. Look at this nigga. I call pool lady. I call pool lady. Yo, bye. You ain't getting money from me, nigga.